Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new beauty video for you guys. It's basically a beauty haul. I'm gonna share some of the skincare and makeup products that I bought recently from Amazon. So it's basically very affordable skincare and makeup products that I love and that I've used before and I'm repurchasing, so I thought I'll just talk to you guys about it. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this Maybelline Hypercurl waterproof mascara. I always use Maybelline mascara when it comes to waterproof mascara. Otherwise I normally use Color Bar mascara. I love Color Bar mascara, but when it comes to waterproof I always go for this one. And you're supposed to change your mascara every 3 to 6 months. That is what I know. So I keep changing my mascara, which it's the best thing that you can do for your eyes, because any product that you use near your eyes, make sure it's in good condition, it's not expired and all that. So this time I bought this waterproof mascara. This is for 259 rupees. So yeah, this Sugar Cosmetics click me up lipstick. I am in love with this lipstick. I have this lipstick in 3 different shades, and one that I'm wearing right now is from the same series. This is 01 Spicy Salmon. I love that brand. It's amazing. It's reasonable but really good products. So this one is another shade from the same range. I like this particularly because I like the packaging. It looks like a pen, so if you want to carry it around, and if you are one of those girls who get embarrassed because of carrying a lipstick, which you shouldn't be, but if you are, this looks like a pencil. And this is a very pretty pink color. It's like a pink purple, bright pink color. So that's the color. It's very bright and I love it, and I love the texture. It's like powdery matte. It's not like very dry matte, but it's very very light on your lips, and it's really good matte. So yeah, this is one lipstick that I bought, and this one is for 559 rupees, and the rate keeps changing because they have offers on a daily basis. So you guys just check it out. I'll put the link down below in the description box. Okay, and the next thing that I bought again from Sugar Cosmetics is the mini bronzer. I love their packaging. I love everything about this brand. It's basically for contouring. So I don't really use cream contour because I'm really lazy, so I just go ahead with the bronzer. So I had another shade of the same thing, so I wanted to try this shade as well. This one is in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. So, and this is for rupees 399. So yeah, and it's all the everything that I'm showing you guys, it's all very affordable. So, and then I bought this Insight Makeup Essentials lip gloss. It's like a clear lip gloss. I wanted to buy this because I saw this makeup look on Instagram, if I'm not wrong. Somewhere I saw where they apply lip gloss on the eyeshadow and it gives that wet dewy look, so I wanted to try it out. So and this is just 81 rupees, you guys, 81 rupees, because I'm not sure about the quality of this one because it's just 81 rupees, but I just wanted to try that makeup look. Only for that I bought this. So I'll just try it out and let you guys know if it's good or not. So by the way, in my previous beauty haul video I told you guys that I'll tell you how the Plum face mask worked for me, the green tea face mask. It's really good. If you have a really oily acne prone skin, try it out. It's really good. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my previous beauty haul video, then you'll understand. And the next thing that I bought is this Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Lipstick, liquid lipstick. It's amazing. It's matte ink, by the way. Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipstick. The best liquid lipstick out there. It will not go from your lips if you don't use your makeup remover very thoroughly. It won't go. It's the most long lasting liquid lipstick ever. I can guarantee you that. So I have this one in different shades. I think I have two more shades in the same range, and this shade is 118 Dancer, but this one is actually really red. So I'll just swipe it and show you guys. Okay. Okay, that's really red. I love that. It's like, oh, it's really good. And this doesn't have that cementy, dry feeling. When it comes to liquid lipsticks, you always have that feeling, but this one doesn't have that. It's really long lasting, and it's actually light on your skin. Yeah, it's actually 650 rupees, but it's available for 455 rupees on Amazon. And this is extremely transfer proof, by the way. The first lipstick that I showed you guys, the Sugar Cosmetics Click Me Up, it's not transfer proof because it's powder matte, so it will transfer. But this one, once it's dry, it won't go anywhere, but you have to wait for a while for it to get dry. But once it's dry, it won't go anywhere. And I bought these lash glues, which is from I like their lash glues. I've tried different lash glues, but this is the one that worked really well for me. So I bought these 2 packets. This was for 65 rupees. Can you imagine? 65 for 2 piece. So I bought this. And let's move on to the skincare. So when it comes to skincare, the first thing that I bought is this toner from Plum. I'm actually liking Plum skincare products. So as I tried the Plum face pack last month, I thought I'll just try their toner. So this is alcohol free combination oily acne prone skin toner. So this is also green tea based. The pack that I bought was also green tea based, and this is for rupees 390, and I got it for 323 rupees. And I started using it for like, I think for the past 4 days I'm using it, and I kind of like the effect of it. I actually think that it reduces my pores. I don't know if that's the difference you guys get, but when I started using this, I actually saw the difference in my pores, that I have pores here, and it kind of is getting better. And the next thing that I bought is this Aloe Vera Gel from UrbanBotanics. So Aloe Vera Gel is useful for a lot of things. I don't have to explain it to you guys. It has a lot of use. You can use it for burns, you can use it after shaving, you can use it as a face pack. It's always good. Aloe Vera Gel is always good, and it comes like this. Doesn't have very strong smell, but it has a little bit of fragrance, and I like it. It's like very clear Aloe Vera Gel. Yeah. This is actually 399 rupees, but I got it for 289 rupees from Amazon. Yeah. And the last product from skincare that I bought is from Dot & Key Skincare face mask. So they have this detoxifying charcoal mousse mask. They have a lot of mud clay masks, so I wanted to try it. And so this one, I love their packaging. So it's really cute, and it's like charcoal, so it's black, and comes with a spatula so that it's very easy for you to apply. And oh, okay, it has a really strong smell. I think it's because it's charcoal face pack. Okay, it has a really strong smell. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I'll use it and let you guys know how it worked for me. If you guys come to my next video, I'll let you guys know how this worked for me. Or if you guys are following me on Instagram, I'll let you guys know there. So yeah, that's about it. That's the beauty haul that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, click that bell icon, comment down below what do you want to see next, and if you want to see any of these products in detail review, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.